Mix baby oil with banana. Yes, you heard it right. This simple yet powerful combination can actually help you look like you're in your 20s again. If you're looking for natural ways to fight signs of aging, this is something you'll definitely want to try. Today, I am presenting not just one, but two amazing homemade recipes that are easy to prepare and extremely effective. These remedies focus on anti-aging treatment, wrinkle removal, face and neck skin tightening, and even help with reducing fine lines around the eyes and forehead. Let's begin with the first recipe. First recipe: baby oil with banana. Take one medium-sized banana. If the banana is large, then half of it will be enough. Make sure the banana is ripe, as a ripe banana is softer and richer in antioxidants. Now put 1 tablespoon of baby oil into a bowl. Baby oil helps moisturize and soften the skin, making it look smooth and youthful. Mash the banana using a fork. It doesn't need to be perfectly smooth, but try to avoid big chunks. Once the banana is nicely mashed, add the baby oil to it. Now mix them well so the two ingredients combine fully into a creamy texture. Next, add an egg yolk to the mixture. Egg yolk is rich in vitamins and protein, which nourishes the skin and improve its elasticity. Mix everything thoroughly until it becomes a smooth paste. Apply a layer of this mask on your face and neck. After applying the first layer, place a paper napkin gently on your skin. This helps to keep the mask in place and allows better absorption. Leave it on for 10 minutes. You can relax during this time, maybe close your eyes and unwind. After 10 minutes, apply a second layer of the mask over the napkin. Then place another paper napkin over it. Leave this second layer on for another 10 minutes. So the total time for the mask to stay on your face will be about 20 minutes. Let it dry completely so it forms a firm layer on your skin. Once it has dried, gently remove it. Start peeling the napkin and mask off carefully. This peeling method helps to lift away impurities and gives an instant tightening effect. After removing the mask, give your face a light massage using your fingertips. This helps to activate blood circulation, making your skin feel refreshed and revitalized. Then wash your face with cold water. Cold water helps to close your pores and soothe the skin. After washing, gently pat your skin dry and apply a good moisturizer to lock in the hydration. For best results, Use this mask 4 times a week. It's a great way to naturally tighten and brighten your skin without using any chemicals. Second recipe: banana peel with milk, baby oil, and honey. Start by cutting the banana peel into small pieces. Banana peels are surprisingly beneficial for the skin, rich in antioxidants and nutrients. Add 10 tablespoons of milk to the peel. Milk contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and softens the skin. Now, blend the banana peel and milk together in a grinder or blender until it forms a smooth mixture. This will be your base. Take out 2 tablespoons of this banana peel mixture into a clean bowl. To this, add 1 tablespoon of baby oil. This will add smoothness and hydration to the blend. Now add 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is a natural antibiotic and it treats skin problems, moisturizes, and soothes irritation. Mix everything thoroughly until you get a creamy and smooth paste. Apply this mixture carefully around the eyes, especially on dark circles and fine lines. You can also apply it to your entire face and neck. It's gentle and suitable for all skin types. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Let the skin soak in all the goodness from the ingredients. You'll start to feel a slight tightening effect, which means it's working. After 20 minutes, gently massage your skin in circular motions to remove the mask. This massage helps to boost blood flow and remove dead skin cells. Next, wash your face with lukewarm water to remove the mask completely. Then wash again with cold water to close the pores and give a refreshing finish. After drying your face, apply a moisturizer, especially around the eyes and neck. This will help retain moisture and keep the skin soft and glowing. You can use this recipe 3 times a week. And the good news is, you can store the remaining mixture in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Just make sure to keep it in an airtight container. So there you have it. 2 simple, natural, and effective anti-aging recipes that you can easily do at home. Be consistent, give it some time, and your skin will thank you.